What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So XRP is not really having the most positive day. Actually, it's not having the most positive week. We've seen crypto that has come back down a little bit and, seeing the overall crypto market at a $2.5 trillion market cap, not the best thing, right? I'm recording this video at 8 a.m. It's 7:57 a.m. to be more specific. So hopefully XRP does find a road back and can push above the 60 cent level. We never know exactly how the crypto market is going, and currently the overall crypto market is starting to trend more in a positive direction for the last hour, and hopefully that continues as we're moving forward. But let's talk about XRP, and specifically let's talk about the ETFs, right? Bitcoin already has an ETF. We're going to see an Ethereum ETF, and now we're wondering like whether we're going to see multiple ETFs, because that's what the stock market is all about. All-encompassing things that are going to add different industries into this one place, so that you can have a more solid, secure, stable investment. And that's what you would have with a lot of these ETFs that are created. So honestly, I'm going back in time and looking at an article from March 15th and talking about the XRP ETF and how it is coming a lot sooner than you think, and why this would be massive for XRP holders. And honestly, XRP in general would be massive, right? So let's go ahead and get into this, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon. Those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about my Margex link as well. I've been able to gain extra XRP by leverage trading over there. If you want to learn about leverage trading, I have a whole section on Patreon dedicated towards leverage trading, and teaching you about leverage trading, the mental process of leverage trading, as well as understanding the platform. But you can trade up to 100x leverage. I typically only trade 5 to 10x leverage. Sometimes it's 15, and then rare cases are 20 to 25. But you can trade up to 50x leverage on XRP if you wanted to, and you can leverage trade your XRP while also trading XRP. You can leverage your XRP for XRP, which is cool, which I'm currently doing in 2 different positions. Anyways, let's get into where XRP is right now. It's currently down 1.4% on the day, and we're seeing it at a 31.6 billion dollar market cap with $1.5 billion worth of volume. They're almost at 55% of the circulating, or of the max supply that's in circulation, which is great. I want to see it get either fully diluted or burn off the escrow or get rid of the escrow somehow, some way, because I don't want any type of dilution. However, if I do see that, I probably will double or triple down at lower costs or lower price levels. If it finds a way to get to like 25 cents, absolutely, I will double down and triple down to those levels, because I believe in XRP a lot further than where it currently stands, even at a 100 billion coin supply. But what we're here to talk about is this, right? An XRP ETF. So Ripple XRP ETF is around the corner, executive says. So let's go into this article a little bit. This was created on March 15th. And I wanted to do this because I wanted to talk about how what around the corner really means. Around the corner could be like, we see a couple of months, we see within this year that it could happen. But Uphold Bank executive Martin is optimistic that XRP, or Ripple XRP, is set for a major rise, and hints that the XRP ETF is around the corner. Speaking on X about XRP's bullish trend as of late, Martin says, I can't say his last name, Martin says that the surge is linked to further development of the token. This development could be the work of a new XRP ETF to join the family of ETF cryptocurrencies. Martin believes that the development of XRP will build up following the conclusion of Ripple Labs' case against the SEC. In February 2024, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse addressed the potential launch of an XRP ETF. With the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETFs and rumblings of an Ethereum ETF, XRP is a likely candidate to be next due to its rapid growth and trading volume. And honestly, I agree with that. I think the trading volume is a big piece of it, to where you're going to see a lot of money that flows in there. And money that flows in there, you want to see people that are holding it, those people that are longer term holders, traditionalists that are believing in that position. That's what they'll do, is they'll hold it for a longer period of time and kind of guarantee that, like if you are staking there. So the biggest hurdle for XRP to achieve the requirement to obtain a non-security status in the US, the premise behind the company's ongoing legal battle with the SEC, with hopes dwindling around the Ethereum ETF's approval. The potential for an XRP ETF may be just in jeopardy. We'll have to wait until March 22nd for remedies related briefs in the settlement. Um, um, Sorry, I say March 11th, March 22nd, for remedies related briefs in the settlement. By then, we may also have a final decision from the judge looking over the case. So we don't have a final decision as we look back to this, but we do have dates as we have pushed to May or end of April, May, and we'll probably see continuances after that. But that does become a huge factor in whether we are going to see the ETF that does get launched, whether we're going to see legal clarity or not. Now, if we needed to talk about the XRP ETF and how this does benefit XRP holders, if you understand what XRP is planning to be and how much use you're going to have, how much connection you're going to have, how many pieces you're going to have to the puzzle that are utilizing what supply we do have, you understand that every single coin matters, right? If you're talking about cross-border transactions, you're talking about storing within banks, you're talking about the banks being able to utilize that for easily transferable, money to, or capital to other banks and other countries and all those different things, for imports, for exports, all of those things there. You understand that every single XRP token coin does matter, right? And while we have a certain amount of people that are holding positions, we are holding it and taking that out of circulation, meaning that you only have a certain amount that's being traded. Now, also with an ETF, you are doing the exact same thing, to where you are taking some out for the long term and people are holding that for the increased value. So the person holds here, you see a bunch of volume that's happening here, it increases the value of what this person is holding. They're still not selling, and they consistently buy and consistently hold, making it more of a store of value over here, and whatever is tradable and accessible over here, meaning that whatever is within circulation, true circulation, you're going to see that be at a higher value, meaning that this portion also is at a higher value. So the amount that I'm holding for the long term may be worth a lot more in the end. So XRP holders will gain so much more. It might be massive for XRP holders as well as crypto holders in general. Now, I think we need to understand that I think it's better to see an overall ETF. So when we do find the ability to have ETFs that are for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or whatever, or a gaming sector ETF, or an AI sector ETF, or have certain sectors in an ETF where you're investing into certain sectors there in certain portions, kind of like how you have with like an ETF over on Robinhood, or on whatever platform you're trading on. You may have healthcare and I don't know what else, technology. And just because you have those broader categories doesn't mean that you're investing into technology, the company called technology. No, you're investing into things like Google and Meta and Apple and all of those. That's the technology sector. So you'll end up having that, which XRP will be, a part of one of those sectors, which one. And then you'll see that you'll have more growth within there, with XRP being a major portion of that ETF there. So I don't know. I see it as the XRP ETF is right around the corner and will have a massive impact for XRP holders, but also will have a massive impact for crypto overall. Let me know what you think about this. Do you believe that this adds to the now journey of us getting to $10 and $20 and $100 and making it easier to get there? So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And again, if you guys want to check out my link for MargeX, feel free to give that a look. That's in the description as well. Guys, I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.